Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Digital Academy. In this video session, we are going to learn the introduction part of our website. So here in this video, we'll be knowing what is website, how many types of websites are there, and how does a website work, right? So you must have seen many websites over the internet which gives a lot of information. So there are such different kinds of website that will be knowing it. But here what is website actually? We'll understand. So website is nothing, it's a set of related web pages located under a single domain name. Or we can say it is a group of web pages. A website is a collection of web pages where through the web pages you show information according to your requirement. So web pages usually contain hyperlinks to each other. That means they are interlinked with each other. So whenever you'll be clicking on certain link on certain pages, it will redirect it to your particular web page of that website. So here you will see, so there are three main aspects of a website. The first one is domain. So domain is nothing, it's a your website name. The second aspect is your hosting. So hosting is very important for making your website live. Without hosting, you can't make your website live. And the third one is programming skill. So although many website it needs coding, but here without coding, we can also create a very beautiful website. The website, it may be any business website, portfolio website, or any other app website as well. So we can consider here a website is nothing, it's like our online property, right? Where we show our information, what the business we are, what the product and services we are dealing with, or if you have if you like writing, so you can show the complete information, or you can provide the solution through your website. So for creating a website, you need to take a domain name with extension. Then after you have to take hosting, and with the help of CMS like WordPress, you can create a website. So if we'll see the important types of websites, the first one is business website, e-commerce website, media website, entertainment website, and portfolio website as well, blogging website, education website, and forum website. So these are the most famous website where you can create your website according to your needs, according to your business, according to your requirement. So if we'll talk about the business website, right? So like this type of websites you can create where you can show your web pages like home, about us, our clients. So according to your business or according to your services or what are the services you are dealing with, just you can show with this website, right? And e-commerce website, normally like Flipkart, Amazon website. And if we'll talk about the media website, so media website, if we'll have a look on this website, so normally this is a media website. So here we can read the news, right? And according to the area wise, or according to the subject wise, right? And one more website is here, like the completely newspaper. You can show your news over here, and you can also create a blogging website. So through blogging website, so you can also start a blogging website where according to your niche or according to your interest, you can write your blogs as well. So it is up to your interest as well. So for starting this blogging website, you should select a proper niche, so where you can write on, where you can work on. So this was the normal introduction of the website.